Hey guys, welcome back to Data with Dominic, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a custom table and enter your own data in the Power Query editor. So it's very simple. I've got the Power Query editor open up here, and in this home tab I have an enter data button, so you can create a new table by typing or pasting in new content. So let's click enter data, and it opens this wizard for us where I can create a new table and specify all the details. Say I want to call it students, and then first column is name, second column is ID, third column is age. So then I can enter the names John, ID 1, age 15, Alice 2, age 12, Zeke, ID 3, age 14. So when we hit OK, this opens up the table as a new query in the Power Query editor, and we can perform all our transformations on it. So that's how you create a custom table wherein you can enter data or paste data. So that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment, and hit the bell icon, and we'll see you guys in the next one.